Yeah, designing walls can be damaging, dirty and contagious. And you don't want to call the laborers for that, do you? So, what do? Use KLAPiT, your 21st century screw. An innovative product to hang pictures, power strips, remotes, lights, pen holders, speakers, paintings, flower pots and many more. An assembly of 2 steel tapes with a super strong net magnet. Each KLAPiT can hold up to 500 grams on all clean surfaces. You can use it on walls, windows, tiles, doors and other similar surfaces. That's smart, but how to use it? Well, clean the surface of the wall and your product. Install the beta steel tape on the product and the alpha steel tape on the wall and press firmly. Wait for 60 minutes. Attach the net magnet to the beta steel tape and attach the product to the wall so that the net magnet is between the 2 steel tapes. With KLAPiT, you can now remove and replace your product at any time. So, throw the screws and kill the drills. Fill your house with new dreams, happiness and lovely memories. Design your world with KLAPiT, your 21st century screw.